If you have a child that doesn't want anyone to touch her natural hair, or whenever you're combing her hair, she's always crying, then this video is for you. Here is how I detangle my 4-year-old natural hair with no hair breakage. The first mistake you people always make is to start detangling your child's hair in a dry state. Don't do that. What you're supposed to do is to sprinkle water. Get a spray bottle and sprinkle it on your child's hair, then followed up with a moisturizing leave-in conditioner. By doing this, you're softening the child's hair and making sure the hair is hydrated enough so that you can use a wide tooth comb. The next mistake some of you make is that you are being rough with the child's hair. Let me tell you something. The human hair deserves a lot of patience, a lot of attention. Don't rush the process. You only make the child to cry and also make your hair to break. Next on the line is to make sure you are using a wide tooth comb. Using a wide tooth comb is going to ease the process of detangling. Another hair hack I'll tell you what to do is to please divide the hair into smaller sections. Then start detangling from the tip of the hair and move to the roots of the hair. By doing so, trust me, your child's hair is not going to break a lot, and you're also going to ease the process of detangling. Let me know what you are thinking in the comment section below.